Hello children, myself Himlatabad welcome you to my online class. Today's topic is describing words and this is our fourth lesson from English 1 book. We are in the page number 22. So describing words, what are describing words? Describing words are those words that tell us more about a naming word. You already have learnt what are naming words, right? Naming words are the names of people, places, thing, right? And describing words tell us more about our naming words. Whenever we need to tell more about our naming words, we use describing words. So in this lesson we would know some describing words and we would know how to use them. Okay? And they are used to say more about a naming word. If you look at this picture, here we have to match the words from each box with the pictures. Okay? You can see giraffe, knife, apple, pillow. These all are naming words because they tell us a name. And here red, tall, sharp, soft. They are not naming words. They are describing words. And they will describe these naming words. And we have to choose the right one and we have to match. You know giraffe is tall. Giraffe is the tallest animal, so tall. So tall, this word is a describing word because this word tall is describing our naming word giraffe. How is the giraffe? Giraffe is tall. Knife. You have already seen a knife in your kitchen also. So knife is a naming word. And how is the knife? Knife is sharp so that we can cut everything very smoothly. How is the knife? Knife is sharp. Sharp is the describing word for knife. Apple. Apple is the name of a fruit. It is a naming word. And apple is red in color. So red is describing how is the apple. The color of apple. Pillow. Pillow is a naming word and soft is telling us that pillow is soft. Soft pillow. We use describing word before our naming words. How? Tall giraffe, sharp knife, red apple, soft pillow. In this way. You cannot say giraffe tall, knife sharp, apple red. No, it will be wrong. We place describing words before our naming words. Okay? And then these describing words will tell us more about our naming words. This is an old building. Here you can see so many words written in color, red in color. And they all are describing words and they are describing a naming word. So this is an old building. Building is the naming word. And the word old is telling us that building is old. So old is the describing word. He is a tall boy. Boy is a naming word. And how is the boy? Boy is tall. So tall boy. Tall is the describing word. This is my little sister. Sister is a naming word. And the word little is telling us more about our sister. That sister is little. So we would use little just before our naming word sister. Okay? That is a white cloud. Here you can see we have used the color also. Color's name white. So color's name, they all are also describing words. And sometimes we would find the numbers also. 3, 4. They are also describing words when they describe a naming word. So white cloud. How is the cloud? What is the color of the cloud? White. A small boat is sailing on the blue sea. So in this sentence we have got to know one new information, and this is that a sentence may have more than one naming words and more than one describing words. Here we can see boat is a naming word and sea is a naming word, and small is describing a boat and blue is describing sea. So small is a describing word for boat, small boat, and blue sea. The color blue is describing sea. What is the color of the sea? Blue. So in this way, describing words tell us more about our naming words, and we may have more than a naming word or more than a describing word in a sentence, and we have got one example here. So describing words tell us more about our naming words. Suppose you have a friend and her name is Aradhya. So you want to tell more about your friend, that Aradhya is a good girl. So how is she? She is good. Girl is a naming word, and before girl we have used good. So good is a describing word that would describe this girl, means Aradhya. So Aradhya is good girl, bad boy, good boy, fat girl, tall girl. So fat, tall, this all would be describing words. Now come to page number 23. So in the above sentences, the words in color told us more about our naming words. That is why they are describing words. Now you can see we have exercises also. Fill in the blanks using describing words from the box. Here some options are kept for us, and they all are describing words because they would describe a naming word, and the all written words here are naming words because boy, girl, boat, sweater, park, woman, sky, chair, table, tree, they all are naming words because they tell us a name. They have name. That is why they are naming words. And describing words will describe about them, will tell us more about them. So a dash boy, you can write a tall boy, either tall boy or fat boy. Simply take number 2, an dash woman, an old woman. Where is old? Find it out. Old is here. So an old woman. A dash sweater, woolen sweater. Woolen sweater. So how is the sweater? Woolen. This is made of wool. So woolen sweater. These words are describing words. Okay. So today we would know about up to this. Next our class would start from group B, page number 23, and till then you learn up to this. Okay.